Canelo Alvarez is one of the best boxers of this generation. Power, patience, timing, he's mastered it all. But there's one weakness that movers have always been able to expose, and that's his feet. And against Terence Crawford, that weakness could prove to be fatal, because Crawford isn't just sharp with his hands, his footwork IQ is elite. And when flat feet meet sharp feet, history tells us exactly how that fight usually ends. What do we mean when we say Canelo has flat feet? Flat feet in boxing means you're planted for power, but you lose mobility. You can't pivot, you can't circle, you can't cut angles quickly. That makes you dangerous standing still, but vulnerable against the movers. And Canelo's entire style is built on this. He's patient, he walks you down, plants and fires, but it's movers like Floyd Mayweather, Lara, Dmitry Bivol that have made him look ordinary. Because Canelo stands flat-footed, once he's backed up against the ropes, his opponents can use that to control him. Watch here. Mayweather steps in, steps out, then repeats. He knows that as long as Canelo is flat-footed and planted, he can step in and attack, step out to defend, and keep resetting. The chances of Canelo countering in this position are very low, because Mayweather isn't overcommitting, and that's exactly what Canelo relies on. His opponent switching off and overcommitting. Let's go fight by fight. Mayweather controlled Canelo with nothing but footwork and distance. Step out, pivot, jab. Canelo planted, Floyd walked him in circles. Lara, not as famous but the same blueprint. Movement turned Canelo into the chaser. Judges gave Canelo the nods, but Lara's feet wrote the story. Bivol is the clearest example. Bivol didn't beat Canelo on power, he beat him on steps. Step back, step in, jab, circle. Canelo couldn't cut the ring. Notice the theme? Flat feet struggle against sharp feet. So how does Crawford fit in? Unlike Canelo, Crawford is never flat. He's balanced, fluid and controls distance with his feet. Against Spence, he stepped back out of range, reset, then punished the counters. Against Indongo, footwork opened the angle for the body shot that ended the whole fight. Against Postal is the same story. Back, let him in, miss, then punish them. Crawford fights going forward or backwards, southpaw or orthodox. He pivots while punching. His feet are sharp as his hands. And flat-footed fighters hate that. Styles make fights. Canelo Alvarez, flat-footed, patient, needs you to stand in front of him. Now, Terence Crawford, he's light, he's fluid, he's unpredictable, he pivots, he switches, steps out, punishes. Canelo's patience works on fighters who freeze, but against Crawford, who's sharp, patient, he sets traps. Every second Canelo waits, Crawford is downloading data, creating the next angle, and that's why Mayweather, Lara, Bivol had success. But Crawford isn't just a mover, he's a finisher. He won't just frustrate Canelo, he'll punish him whilst he's moving. Canelo Alvarez is an all-time great, but flat feet lose to sharp feet. Floyd proved it, Lara proved it, Bivol proved it, Skull proved it, and Crawford is sharper than all of them. So when these two meet, don't just watch the hands, watch the feet, because the feet decides the fights. Flat feet will cost Canelo against Terence Crawford. Come to Regal Boxing Gym, Forest Gate, London, and learn some real boxing.